wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Talita Nurul Aziza, and today I'm going to talk about computer architecture. Thank you for taking the time to watch my presentation. Number 1, what is computer architecture? And the second, what are the advantage and disadvantage of multi-core processor? Before I explain more about the topic, let's watch this video.
The most basic division of a computer system is between the hardware and the software. Hardware is often described as the physical parts of a computer that you can actually touch with your hands, although that is not recommended, especially when the power is on. Software includes all the programmed instructions in a computer. There is the main program called the system software, also known as the operating system, which controls and interacts with the hardware and software components. Application software are programs like Photoshop, Internet Explorer, and World of Warcraft. The main hardware components include the CPU, or Central Processing Unit, main memory, secondary storage devices, and the input and output devices. The CPU is a microchip that receives and decodes instructions from memory. Within the CPU are specialized units. One is the arithmetic logic unit. This part performs operations with numbers. The control unit manages the flow of instructions in time with the CPU clock. The faster the CPU clock, the more instructions that can be processed at a time. The processor I have is a quad-core. That means that there are 4 copies of the same transistor circuitry within one chip. With 4 cores, my processor can execute 4 times as many instructions at a time than if it only had 1 core.
Alright, I will continue to explain more about computer architecture. First, let me explain what is computer architecture. Computer architecture is defined as a specification that describes how computer hardware and computer software technologies interact to create a computer platform of system. What you think of the word architecture? You think of building a house of structure with that some purpose in mind. Architecture in computer involves building a computer and all that goes into a computer system. The second point, what are the advantage and disadvantage of multi-core processor? A multi-core CPU is a computer processor that has at least 2 segments. Each part of the chips executes instructions as if it were a separate computer. The actual processor are still on the single chips. On these chips, each core generally look this the other. They are separated smoothly in the independent cores that work together equally. The core processor is a multi-core processor with 2 independent chips. A quad-core processor is a multi-core processor with 4 independent microchips. As you make guess for the prefix, the name of the processor is based on the number of microchips on the chips. A multi-core processor has many processor and unit cores on the single chips. The third point, use of multi-core processor. The first, incredible illustration arrangement. The next, PC Excited Design or CAD. And next, multimedia application. And next, 3D game. And next, video editing. And next, database service. And the last, encoding. The fourth advantage of multi-core processor. The first, multi-core processor can finish more work the single-core processor. The next, work will for multi-rate application. The next, can complex text simulation at lower frequency. And next, can help more data than single-core processor. And next, perform more work will consume less energy compared to single-core processor. And next, can handle complex text like virus scanning, will watch a movie. And next, care chase on the single chip makes data exchange fast. And next, requires less space on PCB, printed circuit board. And the last, high readability and fault tolerance. And the last, disadvantage of multi-core processor. The first, hinder to manage the single-core processor. And next, more expensive than single-core processor. And next, not necessarily twice as fast a single-core processor. And next, performance depends on how the user use the computer. And next, consume more power. And next, generates more heat when performing heavy tasks. And the last, sequential processor may choose delay. The next conclusion, multimedia processors are a major advancement in computer architecture. By integrating multiple cores in the one chips, they will preferable processor which improves speed, multitasking, and efficiency. They are ideal for high performance tasks like gaming, multimedia editing, and database system. How every challenge include higher cost, software complexion, and thermal management. Not all applications full benefit for multi-core system, but when optimize the powerful and efficient computing solution. I hope this presentation was helpful and easy to understand. Thank you for your next attention. Have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.